Welcome, car enthusiasts and travelers, to Micahcarcarellc LLC. I'm delighted to have you with us as we embark on an exhilarating journey through the world of car rentals. Welcome back to our channel, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of manual transmissions. If you've ever wondered what it takes to drive a stick shift like a pro, you've come to the right place. Let's rev up the engine and get ready to roll. Segment 1. Understanding manual transmissions. Before we get behind the wheel, let's start with the basics. A manual transmission, also known as a stick shift, gives you more control over your car's gears. Unlike automatics, where the car does the work for you, manuals require the driver to engage and disengage gears manually using the clutch pedal and gear shifter. Segment 2. Getting to know the clutch. The clutch is a crucial component in manual driving. It's the link between the engine and the wheels, allowing you to smoothly change gears. To engage the clutch properly, use your left foot to press the clutch pedal down fully. This temporarily disconnects the engine from the wheels, allowing you to shift gears. Segment 3. Starting the car. Now that you understand the clutch, let's start the car. With the clutch pedal pressed down, turn the key or push the ignition button to start the engine. Keep the clutch pedal engaged as you shift the gear into neutral. Segment 4. The gear shifter. Next, let's familiarize ourselves with the gear shifter. In most manual cars, the gear pattern is laid out in an H pattern. To shift gears, move the shifter through the pattern while keeping your foot on the clutch pedal. Each gear serves a specific purpose, from the first gear for starting the car to the higher gears for increased speed. Segment 5. Shifting gears. Now comes the fun part, shifting gears. To upshift, release the pressure on the gas pedal, fully depress the clutch, move the gear shifter to the next higher gear, and slowly release the clutch pedal while gently applying the gas. To downshift, follow the same process, but this time, shift to a lower gear for deceleration. Segment 6. Mastering clutch control. Smooth clutch control is essential for seamless gear changes. Avoid abrupt clutch releases, as it can lead to jerky movements and stall the engine. Practice finding the clutch's biting point, the moment when the engine starts to engage with the wheels. It might take some time, but once you've mastered this skill, you'll be driving like a pro. Segment 7. Hill starts. Hill starts can be intimidating for new manual drivers, but fear not. With the handbrake engaged, press the clutch and shift into first gear. Slowly release the clutch as you gradually release the handbrake. Find the biting point, and when ready, apply gentle pressure on the gas pedal to move uphill smoothly. Segment 8. Smooth braking and downshifting. When approaching a stop, downshifting can help you smoothly come to a halt. As you slow down, downshift through the gears while matching the engine's RPM to your speed. This technique, called rev matching, prevents the car from jerking forward when you shift into a lower gear. And there you have it, folks. Congratulations on learning the art of driving a manual transmission. It might take some practice, but with time and dedication, you'll become a skilled stick shift driver. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more thrilling automotive content. Stay safe, stay in control, and we'll see you in the next video.